Welcome, today we're going to show you how to download or install HDO Box on iOS. So the first thing that you can actually do is to just search for HDO Box on your Safari browser or on any browser, and as see from here you will find the official HDO Box website. You can just click on it and this website will open. So if you were on Google Play, all you need to do is to just click on Google Play, and now from here it will start downloading as an APK. But as you actually want it on iOS, if you click on iOS version, you can just download it automatically. You need to actually download the Sunplay app as see from here. You can just download it on the App Store. Also, you need to get the ostream.io IPTV. If you want to actually download the same HDO Box app officially, you need to actually just wait until they add a new method to download the actual HDO Box app. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.